Hello guys, we are gonna be filming a video on a tour. If you guys saw that camping video, this is the truck that we used, and this is Rarity. If you guys can see her, it's up there. There's down there. She has sparkly hair, the teacup and all the other stuff over here, the kitchen and the stuff. And that's a chocolate box. That this is Bloom that we usually play as Caden sometimes, and this, as you guys can see, is a bowl, and this is Pinkie Pie Misses. Hi! Let's get this party started! Oh, Pinkie. Oh, and, we got kind of a shop over here next to her house. We don't use this girl as Twilight. We use her as... My name is Angel Star. How are you? Need a style? Whatever, Angel Star. And this is the whole truck. This is like the top part of the truck. This is like the front of the truck with the wheels. This is the door of the truck. This is kind of the back over here, guys. The bathroom back, and there's a toilet right there for no reason at all. And this is where they sleep, there and there. And Rarity loves this seashell. And there's like this microphone right next to it. Okay guys, you guys can see that if you need to. Front door, there's like a back side, a top part. Those are like the two lines that you guys can see. You guys can also see the top front over there. And I hope you guys enjoy the show. Bye! Wait! I love hairstyles. Hey, and watch for new beautiful videos coming up next. Whoop whoop! And bye! Sorry guys about that wig.